All right, so when I tell you when depression kicks in, your house is not in order. Like even my doll houses are just not in order. There's stuff everywhere. I've been trying to get my life together. It hasn't been working, but I've been trying to, get some stuff together, and this is what I've gotten so far. I was working on the kitchen. I mean, God, there's like food on the floor. I did get my easy bake oven in there, but it's probably not where it's gonna stay. But yeah, it's nowhere near done. I just kind of threw everything in there. So I mean, there's food on the floor. Who does that? Anyway, and then this room needs to be dusted so bad. But here we go. This is what we're looking like in here. There is a fireplace under there. I need to get the banister on here, the railing or whatever it's called, and I want to change like the paper in all these rooms except for this one. I love that paper. I'm not changing that one. These two rooms are okay. I mean, why is there a random pot on on the floor in my craft room? I don't know. But there's a box in there, like my curtains are on the floor. I really need to. This is supposed to be a bedroom, as you can see. There's nothing. I mean, I have a dresser here that I made, and I have a nightstand that I was working on over there. But other than that, it's just there. And everything's dusty in the bathroom. Trying to figure out how I'm going to fix that sink. I'm going to paint it, obviously. And then I have this toilet, but I don't think it really fits. Or maybe it's the tub that, I don't know. Something's not right. So I do want to put um, this mirror up. So I think I'm going to move the sink someplace else. I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm going to do there yet. I like the floors in all of these. I love the hardwood, so I'm not changing that in any of the rooms. I just really need to dust cuz it's so dusty. Um but yeah, so I have to finish all of this. It's kind of just a hot mess right now, but this is what we're working with. And then I've got all my stuff that I want to show you guys over there. This is my little room that I kind of just do different things in. Right now it's just set up as a bedroom just cuz, but I'm going to move some stuff around. And then this was the house that I used to use for everything, but it's super small. I mean, like, I don't know if you can see compared to my other ones, it's tiny. And so I don't know. We'll see what I do with that one. I love it because I made the brick on the side. I did that by hand with a stencil. And yeah, so let me switch over to the other side. All right, so this is my other house. This one's a hot mess too. There's just so much going on. I haven't cleaned this one probably since Christmas. I don't know. Um, but it's not done either. Like I've got some rooms kind of set up, but nothing is exactly how I want it. Behind the house is my husband's office. So there's and like the little guest room, so it's kind of a mess, but there's this house and just a whole lot going on. I still haven't decided what colors I want to make the walls. Again, I like the floors, but I think I'm going to like make some kind of like rugs. I want to get some different rugs. I don't really like the ones that are in there now. So yeah, I've got a lot to work with, a lot to work on. There is an attic on there. I mean up there, I don't know what to do with it. So I'm going to move to the other side. Hold on. And this one is my last dollhouse. It's the Melissa and Doug one. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, these are like the pieces that came, some of the pieces, they're broken. They were like this when I got them. This is my daughter's little, like, I don't know if this is the, mm, I think this is Little Woodsies, if I'm not mistaken. This is her Little Woodsies set, so I don't think it's going to stay up there because it doesn't really fit. But this is just some of the stuff that came with it. I need to figure out where I can get another one of these little faucets. I have to fix the toilet. Um, this is the rocking chair that came with it, but one of the arms was broken off. So I think I might just take the other one off and then paint it, maybe. Bedroom set that it came with. I did a tour and showed this whole thing when I got it. So, like I said, some of the pieces were broken. The leg is broken off of that one. I actually got some of these legs on Temu, and I think they're the exact same size, so I might be able to fix this one perfectly. If not, I'll just take all of them off and then put the new ones on there. I don't know where they're at. And if you hear the noise in the background, my son is upstairs playing video games with my daughter's boyfriend. He doesn't get to play video games very often, so he is super excited and very, very noisy. So, yeah, so this is the bedroom set that it came with. I want to change all of the wallpaper. The flooring, excuse me, the hardwood flooring, it really is just like a laminate. Oops, is really just like laminate or whatever, but I don't know. I don't know. I know I want to change the color of the stairs. I definitely do not like the kitchen colors. And those are the two pieces that came with it. There's like the stove and the sink. There is a fridge, but it didn't come with the set. And then there's the hutch. And then the living room slash, well, I made it into a dining room kind of right over here. This is a couch that I made. One of the legs came off, or I used it for something else, I think. Excuse me. And then I think the desk is supposed to go with the bedroom set, but I brought it down here. I don't know. And then the whole little couch set. So this is another dollhouse that I have to work on. I think the first one that I'm going to work on is the first one that I showed you back here, because this is really um either this one or the big one. I'm not sure. But this one, because I've already kind of started working on it and I have the most rooms already kind of done. This one I need to, like I said, change the wallpaper because I don't like it. I don't know if I'm just going to paint it or if I'm going to put some new wallpaper in that one, but I love the wallpaper in this one. And I love that they did the lighter wood in this one. That one came like that. This is so dusty. The bathroom again. Love my little shelf. I'm gonna put like some rolls of toilet paper and some toiletries on there. And I need to figure out, I need to make another bed for this house. I did make, like, I have this bed, but it's too small, and the other bed is in my other house. So I'm gonna have to make a bed for this room. And yeah, and then I have to find all the pieces to the handrail there. They're in a box somewhere. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on. And so hopefully I can get out of my little funk that I've been in. It's not really a funk. I've just been going through a lot, and it's taking a toll on me. It's taking a toll on me. And oh, I just noticed that this is almost actually off. So I think I am just gonna take this paper off. Huh. I just noticed that. Yeah, I haven't been in a funk. Like I said, I've been going through a lot, and I'm just trying. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best, trying to keep my head above water and not lose it. Um, so yeah, so this is what we've got going on, and I've got to get my houses in order. Literal, figurative, miniature, all of them. I got to get my houses in order. So that is it for this video. I know it's just kind of random, just kind of showing you what I've got going on. But that is it. And until next time, guys, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. I will be back soon enough with some updates and some new creations because I've got tons of ideas. So I hope that you all are doing well. I miss you guys so much. And that is it for today. See you guys later. Bye.